For the fold, in the 9 with the woes, all on my dog, that's for sure. We won't fall out about shit, especially not by no bitch. We ain't gon' fall out by hoes. Me and Sid get them lows, we let them go for the low. I got my hood in control, I got my leverage on froze, I got my.
Alright, what's good YouTube? It is your boy YEEZY, and I'm back here with another video. And you guys read the title. Today we're gonna be unboxing some Yeezys that I got off Instagram. I don't even remember, like, it's like 3 or 4 weeks ago. I got them from either a guy off Instagram or an ad. It was one of those, and it took about 3 to 4 weeks to get here. I'm not sure why, but my mom just got back, and she actually had the keys, both sets of keys. So I just got the keys, so now I'm about to go get the mail. I'm gonna take y'all. I'm probably gonna take y'all with me. Show you. Actually, I don't know. Y'all don't know what. I'll probably show y'all when we get back in here, man. Alright guys, I am back. We do got Yeezys right here. Bro, even though I ordered them off of Instagram, they still say China Post. I guess the guy was in China. I know China makes a lot of fake things. I hope they're not fake. But they came, I'm trying to show you my address. They came in this big package right here. Well, it's not like usually, I got stuff from China before, and it's not like that regular China packaging. So, we got the Betty Boop Star, we can cut it up. Jeez. Has a lot of bubble wrap. I guess there we go. Oh my gosh. Bro. Bro, I got scammed. Look, they come with this. This is crazy. I got, I'm gonna tell you guys, I got the, I ordered the white Yeezys, the cream white Yeezys, and this is what came. Bro, Jack, I got scammed, bro. They don't even say that. It doesn't even say supply right there. Look. The boost is not supposed to be white like this. It's supposed to be like translucent, kind of. It doesn't even say Adidas on the bottom, bro. It doesn't even say Adidas inside. This is crazy. Wow, you can just look, bro. Yeah, bro, that's a bummer. That's crazy. Look. Show you guys another one. Like, this is how it came smashed like this. But bro, these are just so fake. That's crazy. Look, the back, that's not. If you guys can't tell, I'm really disappointed, but that's basically, I mean, you guys see it, they're not good, like, they're obviously fake. I don't really know until you guys look. Like, they say 44 at the bottom. It's not supposed to say that. And look at it, look at the sole, guys. It's terrible. And like the boost is like not squishy, it's like hard little boost. This is crazy. I guess that's what you get when you order on And I got him. I hit the guy up on Instagram, but I think he took me to like a Wish website. So I think these are from Wish. So that's crazy. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with these, bro. Hit me up if you guys want these. My Instagram is Zayzantana. It's ZAYXANTANA. I think I spelled it right. I don't even know. It's the same thing as my YouTube channel name. This is crazy. This is really bad, bro. Alright, I'm gonna see y'all later, bro. This is just terrible.